Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Sibongile decided to cook for abantu homeless and take the food and do what is good. But we all know Guti, the storyline behind this friend is that the friend is going to backstab her, and Usbongile is too naive, like she always is, to even see it coming. Ours is just to look and wait for that day. Uvelephi is still continuing to fight for umntwanakhe to an extent ukuthi manje she included the police after she had confronted umalume and asked umalume to intervene and be on his side, but it was clear that umalume was not on his side but on his side lokuthi uManqoba ahlele laphiyana. Hayi walanda ubani uSipho. Hayi watshela uSipho where to get off, how useless Sipho is, how she did well by choosing the ex that was abusing her, right? Okay, sharp. Amxoshe kubo bakhe alanda amaphoyisa aye nawo ngiphi laphayana kabo Samkela uSamke ahlala khona nobaba wakhe noManqoba. uManqoba ke is being well fed. Yengithi uSamke is doing the most when it comes to taking care of uManqoba, making sure nje ukuthi uManqoba uyashayina muhle mangena abantu nje uManqoba. Why? Because she wants people to see ukuthi she's not the villain, she's not the problem, but Uvelephi is. And by the way Uvelephi is acting, the insults and it proves that. Ngale-ke kaSibalukhulu uPhetheni ufuna ukutreat-a uNomfundo like the helper. Now uNomfundo is asking to serve her and she agrees. While on the table uSibalukhulu ekhuze nje yonke lo behavior ukuthi no, you are going to be served. You are also a wife here in okay masamele lokho kuseva lokho vele ayenze ke kuhlalwe kukhulunywe kuleyo ma discussions asetafuleni. They are all interjecting. You can see ukuthi they are low-key fighting for the attention of this husband on the table, and that's where the relationship is currently at. While ukwenzo on the other side ufuna ukuthi izinto zibe right family yonke ibe nemali kube kudliwe nje equally because ubuye emakhaya wabona ukuthi bahlupheke kanjani. So he finally chose to take the key, which we all know it's not going to sit well. Unjengaye uzoyi-revenge nje lapha nalapho. Okay fine, no problem. bayidiscusse amnyatheli khona asathuthi uthi baba inathi no ngicela ungangibizi ubaba, ngicela ungibize uSibalukhulu. So that is where they are right now. Uluze ubaba wakhe because he chose the right thing. Then uVusi basamdlela umfazi uyadeleleka, uyamdelela lo mfana lona uyamdelela because obviously wenzani udlala nomfazi wakhe. How that part is going to end I don't know, but I feel like they're going to be caught.